Christmas 2021 is over, and I'm sure many got the Harbor Freight Central Machinery 10-inch by 18-inch 5-speed half horsepower benchtop lathe under their tree. First off, you got a great present. It's the perfect wood lathe for a beginner. It's easy to learn with, and you can get started right away. The best part about it, it doesn't break the bank. So I want to talk a little bit about mine. I've had mine for 6 years now, and it has never let me down. I've made hundreds of pens and many other things with it. You can buy wood turning kits that are fun to make. I make my own wood blanks for pens and other things. You can also turn acrylics with this lathe. I started first by making a cannon. Then I went to making pens. Pens are quick and easy to make. They're a great way to learn the fundamentals, and they make fantastic gifts. Harbor Freight has accessories for your new lathe. When looking for a chuck, be sure it is a thread of 1x8 TPI for your headstock. This is important. You need to know that for your accessories if you're going to buy an additional chuck. The lathe uses MT2 accessories such as a drill chuck, both in the headstock and the tailstock. I have been using their turning tools since I purchased my lathe. They have several different sets. Eventually, they'll need to be sharpened with use, but they're great tools. This lathe weighs nearly 80 pounds. It's very heavy. I have not mounted mine on a bench. I've got it on a stand, and it's very sturdy. I have no vibration, and it's quiet as well. Refer to your user manual for changing the speeds. It's easy to do just by moving the belt, the motor belt, to the correct pulley. Now, I'm not a woodworker instructor. I'm just a hobbyist. So I recommend watching YouTube videos and reading how to operate your new lathe safely. I'll have more Harbor Freight reviews coming soon. This particular one, I love my lathe. Remember, like this video, subscribe for more, and your comments and questions are always welcome, and I'll be glad to answer any questions regarding your new lathe if I can. Thanks for watching.